I'm Ned from Boundless, and I'm here with Dragan from World Vision International, a global NGO running a very large multi-country Meraki environment. We've partnered on Boundless SmartTrack to help them understand who is using what under their Cisco EA and how to split those costs fairly across countries. So, as the first question, I will I want to ask to Dragan. Would you mind introducing yourself, your role at World Vision, and briefly describe your Meraki environment?
My name is Dragan Rajevic, based in Bosnia and Herzegovina, working for World Vision for 12 years. Currently, I am responsible for network design on the global scale. As you said, the World Vision is an NGO. World Vision is the biggest non-government NGO, which is currently have the offices on over 1,000 locations worldwide and in almost 100 countries worldwide. Based on that, we have switched from the typical commercial Meraki licensing as PDL or co-termination to Meraki Enterprise Agreement. And we needed something to do the track down of license consumption because World Vision is based as a weak federation and global center will pay the bill, but that bill have to be charged back per the country within the World Vision partnership based on their license consumption.
All right, before we start talking about the Boundless SmartTrack, can you, I would say, describe what was the problem and how did it look like to manage all your licenses and the cost allocation before having SmartTrack?
Before having SmartTrack, that was the responsibility and dedicated to the national offices, which are actually field offices, which entities within the World Vision partnership. They was doing planning, they was doing calculation, they was starting the license renewal and the new license purchasing by global supplier. And because of the plenty of issues which was generated by purchasing incorrect license, missing license, oversizing the number of the license, organization decide to look for the better model. Better model was offered by vendor, by Cisco Meraki as enterprise agreement, and Boundless Track provide us to have visibility on that consumption through the dash and through the Excel sheet. I must mention that because I still standing behind Excel sheet is much better solution for me from the GUI.
Of course.
And
okay, so Cisco Meraki introduced you to Boundless, and you knew Boundless thanks to the automation piece. So you mentioned the SmartTrack and what we provide in terms of dashboard and reports. How would you, in your words, explain how it works? And what does it provide in terms of those features?
Boundless Track enable us to have in real-time visibility per field office, per branch office within the field office, per regional office, because we have different layers: field office, regional office, support office, global center office, vision fund office, and they're all incorporated under enterprise agreement. But through the filtering, we can just extract information per single Meraki organization, which will be actually be used by the World Vision administration, who will do the charging back. We are a technical team. We won't do the chargeback, but we will provide them information which they will use to do the calculation of the chargeback on the annual base per office. And so far, the information on the GUI is very clear. It's easy to be filtered, to extract exact and actually information in Excel sheet, even more details. It presents device inventory.
I have another question, which is a sensitive question, which is, what is it like to work with Boundless? And feel free to be transparent and honest.
Communication was excellent, responsive, detailed response on time.
I think we, as a Cisco solution partner, we try to be as supportive as possible with Cisco customers. So thank you for this feedback. We really enjoy working with you, and I think your environment is really the type of environment we enjoy addressing, because you have multiple orgs, multiple networks, multiple devices, a distributed team as well. And you are obviously a great Cisco customer. You trust Cisco, and you just signed this enterprise agreement that will strengthens the relationship that you have with this vendor for the coming years. So we'll be there to support you. I really thank you for your time, Dragan. And yeah, hopefully we'll, like you said, so far it's everything is going well. We'll make sure to continue that way, and we'll make sure that we'll keep on providing value. So thank you very much.
Thank you.